Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is on changing password and security information on your iPhone. Please make sure to click the link and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also visit richclose.com. Okay, so we need to go into the Settings app, and under the Apple ID and iCloud information, right at the top of your settings, and you'll see there's password and security. Again, this is the password and security for your Apple ID. And it'll give you the option to change your password, of which I'm not going to do. I like the one that I have right now, so I'm not going to go in and change it. But if you click that link, it'll prompt you for your old password. And then you can certainly change it to a new password. Make sure you write it down. It's tough to recover some of these things. And then Apple has a new feature where some apps are allowed to sign in to Apple using your Apple ID. And so if you click on that link, it'll show you all the apps you're using your Apple ID to sign in for. I like it because it keeps the information transparent. I'm pretty well connected to Apple, as you well know by now. And again, this just gives you a reminder. You can certainly back these out and control it if you want to. But in any event, so those are the apps that use my Apple ID. You want to make sure you turn on two-factor authentication. Again, it's kind of a pain in the butt to do. It will require another device or some other user, but it does help prevent any thieves or criminals that may take your phone from getting access to your information on it. If you don't want that complication, it's okay, just leave it off. But I have it turned on. And then trusted phone numbers. Again, my phone number is here, and my wife's number. Again, these are ways to try and recover your information. So you certainly want to include, maybe you've got one of your kids that you really trust, or again, a spouse. Add their phone numbers right into this screen. And I'll go through account recovery in another email, and then the verification codes we'll talk through. Again, it's how to get a code to unlock other devices. So there you have it, how to change the password for your Apple account, right? So your Apple ID account, not the password on your phone. Again, thanks for watching my videos. Please click the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.